Introducing the new RLB round low bay from Westgate Manufacturing. Designed for warehouses, workshops, and a wide range of commercial and light industrial applications, the RLB delivers premium performance with maximum installation flexibility. Instead of choosing between multiple models, the RLB combines everything into one versatile fixture using the convenient switches located on top of the fixture. Installers can select between 80, 100, or 120 watts, along with selectable color temperatures of 3000, 4000, and 5000 CCT. One fixture gives you the flexibility to customize both light output and color temperature on site. Delivering up to 140 lumens per watt, the RLB provides bright, energy-efficient illumination that's ideal for lower mounting heights where uniform light distribution is essential. Every RLB comes installation ready with an included half-inch mounting hook and safety cable. The included polycarbonate reflector is engineered to provide excellent light distribution while reducing glare, creating a comfortable and productive environment for warehouses, workshops, manufacturing spaces, and other commercial facilities. To complement virtually any installation, the RLB is available in your choice of black or white finishes. The Westgate RLB LED round low bay delivers the versatility, efficiency, and dependable performance professionals demand, all in one installation-ready solution. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.